What's up, guys? AK with the CC train. Today I want to show you a very nice veterans unit, MTH. Sorry, business closed. Honestly, I don't remember when they start doing DCC ready, which is this model, because old days they always putting their sound system, and sometimes it's not really compatible with DCC. So if we're not gonna sell it soon, I will put sound decoder and we'll see what's inside, because I don't remember I did I did DCC ready engines with the Rail Pro decoders, but today just a quick look. Looks good. New packages. Okay. That's good. Sometimes, yeah, I need to do another review. One of the, I think, Rapido gondolas. oh boy, this is like hard to even open. So you need a screwdriver like this size, not small one. No, it's not gonna work. This size. This is like a Wiha PH1X60. You probably can't find something similar in your toolbox. Maybe they stay, maybe not. No. So just be careful. There is in Russian it's called Grover, and this is just holding the, which is nice when it's really traveling. It's only one. The other guys stay. Okay, very nice. Some packages with snowplow, nice. And it's an interesting piece. Metal. We'll see. So I'm not gonna open it today, but again, if it stays a little bit longer, I will put the sound in it. Very nice. Couplers. Looks like kitty scale. Couplers. Let's see. We have here nice trucks. Two holes for speakers. I like the idea, the fuel tank. Sometimes one note, still some micro pieces of metal can go even through those holes. So sometimes if you hear like buzz kind of sound, those pieces will be on speaker membrana buzzing. That's time to open it and clean it with compressed air, usually what I'm doing. Let's see the other side. Yeah, very nice. And the back, pretty good. Yeah, some interior. Be careful with those pieces too. My hands kind of train when I'm touching the engine, so but just experience. All right, very nice model. Thanks for watching. You can support channel using this Patreon page, also membership. I'm doing advanced installation, and I just started new project. Thanks again. Have a good one. Bye bye.